Today I'm going to teach you how to remove quantity in WooCommerce. This is particularly useful when you're selling unique items or services where customers should only be able to purchase one at a time, preventing them from adding multiple quantities to their cart. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the account that has access to your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be making all the necessary changes. Once you're logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu where you'll see various options for managing your site. Click on Products. This will expand to show you additional options related to your WooCommerce store's product management. From the expanded menu that appears, click on All Products. This section houses every product you've listed in your store, making it easy to manage inventory and settings across your entire catalog. Now you'll be on the Products page, where you can see all the items currently listed under your WooCommerce store. Take a moment to browse through and identify the specific product you want to sell individually, the one where you'd like to remove the quantity option during checkout. Once you've found it, click on that product. This will direct you to the product overview page, where you can modify various settings and details about this particular item. On the product overview page, scroll down until you locate the product data section. This is a crucial area where you can control how your product behaves in the store. Within the product data section, you'll see several tabs. Click on Inventory. This tab contains all the stock management and quantity-related settings for your product. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the checkbox labeled Sold Individually. By clicking this checkbox, you're effectively disabling the quantity selector for this product. When this option is enabled, customers will only be able to add one unit of this item to their cart, and they won't see the quantity field at checkout. This creates a cleaner, more straightforward purchasing experience for products that shouldn't be bought in multiples. After you've checked the Sold Individually option, scroll back up to the top of the page. You'll see an Update button, typically located in the upper right corner of the product editing area. Click on Update to save all your changes. This step is essential as it ensures your modifications are applied to the live product listing, and that's it. You've successfully removed the quantity option from your WooCommerce product, making it available for individual sale only. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.